Alright, this print was made by Sheen/Sean Carlsworth. It took a total of 8 hours and 16 minutes to print. It is 11 3D printed pieces and 5 normally printed pieces, in other words, paper. And I used a total of 2 colors, blue and clear. Alright, let's see if I remember how to make one of these still. So this is, of course, the Tardis from Doctor Who. It's got nice detailing, and it's done something I've never seen a print do before, where there are, for the 4 police public call box, and then the whole public phone free use, it had normal, you download them from Thingiverse, same as the print. But yeah, it had those little decals that you have to 2D print to just glue onto the Tardis. And these also come, they say Bad Wolf all over. I prefer just the normal police public call box. I'll say as well, I do have one complaint about this, and that is that I just wish it was a bit bigger. You can scale the prints up. As you can see, it just rests in my hand, but I just wish it was a bit bigger. Like, I've got a lamp. It's a huge, like, full-size Tardis lamp in my room. I think I'd just like it, you know, something a bit bigger. So there's just, when you're printing this, I'd probably scale it up, maybe see what 50% looks like. I'd basically print the front panel the size of your printer's build plate, because I think those are the biggest pieces, and I think that should give a size that I would probably prefer and like better. Also, I printed the clear windows and stuff because I could do that, as you can see. It's a bit pathetic, but I did wire up a little switch. Literally, it's just a switch, LED and a battery wired together, so it creates a nice little light in the Tardis. There's room for, I think, four LEDs, and then one in the top would look nice. I just made one, though, for a quick demonstration. I'll say as well, this was probably the hardest print to put together. I'll say I figured out, it's something in upwards of 100 different pieces I've 3D printed across 30-some, maybe even 40 3D prints. Including ones that haven't been in the video, and there have been a total of 2 that have printed, their pieces have snapped together just without any troubles. And that would be the Demon's Blood Sword, part of the reason it won so many awards last year, and then both of Kirby Downey's prints, the AT-AT, I just realized I flipped you off, I'm sorry. But yes, the AT-AT, and then one I haven't shown you that will probably be the next video I make. And you know, Kirby Downey's prints don't even have pieces that snap together. They just like have a rod, and I've glued them together. There's been one print of the hundreds I've done that just snap together as it's meant. So I did not have high hopes for the Tardis, but this is just such a tight print. It was so hard to snap together. As you can see, I've got it snap together fine, but the top, you can see on the back especially, it's kind of lifting a bit. Everything but the whole box area on the bottom is held together with glue. I couldn't snap it in. I mean, I'm guilty of this as well. Of all the prints I've made, the only one I have that snapped together well, perfectly, is this little thing, and that was for a school project a few years back. And it's not exactly complicated, as you can see. But if you can get past that and just kind of struggle through putting this together, it's a great model. I really like, because I printed them, of course, with the doors facing up. It's made a little kind of half triangle pattern on all the boxes. I know this is in front of the lighting kit. There you go, I hope you can see that a bit, but I love the little texture that the 3D printer has created. Because, of course, the Tardis is made out of wood, so it's got that nice wood texture. And this has just got a really nice 3D print texture. Like kind of not necessarily roughness, but just gives it a bit more depth. I suppose there's not really much more left I can say about this. It's a nice Tardis model. I wish it were a bit bigger, but you might like just a smaller one. It really just fits in the palm of my hand. About the size, I suppose, of a chocolate bar, maybe. About kind of the same texture look as well. But yes, I'll get in the habit of doing these more. June 16th is my last day of school, so I've got the whole summer then. I'm past all my like AP tests, I'm past everything, so it should be really smooth. A project should be pretty soon, within a few weeks, and then some more Thingisplores just as a buffer zone in between. So, alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and sharing it. Subscribe so you can catch all the amazing robotics, electronics, and 3D printing projects I have planned. Thanks for watching.